Welcome to LEKApatterns tutorial of a t-shirt with a belt. The pattern you can get online at our shops. The direct links you can find below the video. Let's begin the project. Place the front and back panels on each other and join the shoulders line. Match and pin the sleeves at the armholes line and join together. Match and pin both front and back panels, including the sleeves at the sides. And sew along. Join the ends of the collar detail. With the help of notches, pin the collar to the neckline. The shorter part of the collar between the joint and the notches stays in the back side. Fold the collar in half along the length. The joint line of the collar match with the one of the shoulder line. Sew the collar to the neckline. The bottom part of the t-shirt and the sleeves. Here we use a sewing machine with the double needles. Fold 1.5 centimeter and pin the fold. Sew along the t-shirt and the sleeves with 1.5 centimeters seam allowance. Iron the seams. Let's prepare the belt. Join the details together. Fold in half along and pin the fold. The good side stays inside. Sew along and leave the gap that later you could turn out to the good side. Turn the belt to the good side. Make nice corners and iron it. Take attention to the gap you left before. Iron the seam nicely. The gap you can simply hand stitch. That's it. The t-shirt you can wear with or without the belt. It also perfectly fits with our biker shirt. Pattern you can also find at our online shop. Subscribe our channel for more sewing tutorials.